Hello there, this is Ifti. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna learn how to control your computer remotely with your Android device. So the first thing you have to do is to download an Android app named PC Remote provided by Monex. You can download it from the Google Play Store and also from the given link in the description box. You can connect this with your computer through Wi-Fi, USB tethering mode, and also then by Bluetooth. But the first thing is you have to download a receiver in order to synchronize the phone with the computer. So let's see how to fix the problem. First of all, you have to download the receiver file and install it. You can download it from the Monex official website or from the given link in the description box. After downloading the file, you will get a zip file and you have to extract it. After extraction, simply go to the file folder and install the executive file. Here it goes. Extraction complete. We are opening the file folder. In this we have got executive file and we have to install this executive file. Okay, this is the executive file and the installation started. Make sure this computer is malware free. Okay, installation started. After installation, run the software. So today we're gonna show how to connect this using Bluetooth. Okay, it's complete installation. First of all, run this software. And make sure that your PC's Bluetooth connection is active. In this computer, our Bluetooth connection is already active. So the next step is simply go to the software's settings menu. First of all, we are changing our name. In this connection, this type is public, but you can change it to private. So we will show that process later. This is an encryption part, but we are not in the encryption part in this time. Okay, save the settings and let's connect the software. Simply click OK to save settings. So for the connection, first of all you have to simply click the connect button beside the lost connection icon. Click connection. As we are connecting via Bluetooth, simply click the Bluetooth icon and then a remote and then press the Bluetooth icon as we are connecting Bluetooth. Then after sometimes a remote PC name will arrive in this page. Click on this for a few seconds, the mobile and PC get connected. There are many options, but in here today we're going to show some features out of them. This is the PPT control button, PowerPoint control unit. This is your mobile's keyboard. You can write using this. This is the 3D system or your gyroscope sensor. This is the functions key, because the function key is not in your mobile. This is the typewriter key, means the computer's main keyboard of your computers, because the Control Alt key, Shift, caps lock key or tab key, escape key is not in your computer. Also the window key is not in your computer now, in your mobile device. So that's why this is. So let's see the music control unit. So this is the music control unit of the programmed software, and this is the music control unit of my computer. Okay, opening this. If we up and down the mobile's unit, the computer's unit also up and down. You can see now. Then comes the direct accessibility of your computer's power button. This is the power button programmed by the software, and if you simply click the shutdown button, the software asks you for the keystroke confirmation. After confirming the keystroke, your computer will automatically shut down. Here I confirm the keystroke by pressing OK. And you can see my computer is shutting down. So that's all about today. If you like this video, simply click the like button, and if you want to be a part of us, simply click the subscribe button, and for the video notification of this channel, press the bell icon. Thank you.